Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft 365 on your device, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Microsoft 365 on your device, start by opening a web browser. In the address bar, type www.microsoft365.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button and click on it. If you already have a Microsoft account, enter your email and password. If you don't have an account, click on Create One to set up a new account. Follow the prompts to complete the account creation process. After signing in, locate the Install Office button on your Microsoft 365 homepage. Click on Install Office, then select Office 365 Apps from the drop-down menu. A file will begin downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file. If you're on Windows, this file is usually found in the Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. If you're on a Mac, find the file in the Downloads folder and double-click it. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. During the installation, you may be prompted to enter your Microsoft account credentials again. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation message. Now, you can open any Office app like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. If prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account to activate your subscription. You are now ready to use Microsoft 365 on your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.